Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours you also pray for me. I hope you waiting my latest video, so girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different designing. Some are light colored uses, some are dark color uses, some are color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful handmade knitting variety. Most demanding collection. Beautiful daily use collection. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Some are simple and some are beautiful. Decorated with beaded stones. Pocket style. Low cup style. Chain steppy style. Leather steppy style. Wooden handle, metal handle. Very nice. Most demanding collection. Okay, words. Now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care, words. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye, words.